quick break with my wife kasi yun na lang po yung times na talagang nakakasama ko siya sa araw-araw na wala kaming ginagawa.
And your constituents understand that?
Oo naman po, kasi it's of course the bashers, the people, ito, nakita ko, people who don't know facts and they just see you abroad all of a sudden or whatever. Of course, to each his own. I respect everyone's opinion, everyone's suggestion because I'm a public servant. I have to accept everyone's criticisms. But I'm just saying that when those times come, hindi ako masyadong apektado. Naapektuhan lang ako pag naapektuhan pamilya ko with whatever people have to say. It's because I don't care what you have to say because I really am not trying to fool anyone around. I'm not trying to go on a vacation because I just want to go on a vacation. So because we have our own outlets and my outlet is to be with my wife kahit papaano on short days because nga po, hindi ko na siya nakakasama. And definitely we have to plan our dates also, our schedules along with her kasi of course sabi ko, conflict. But I appreciate how Maine is really so understanding about every single thing po, Mama Od. So,
Oo. Ang mga politicians kasi, di ba, kadalasan, normal ko na naririnig na meron silang on the side. Lalo na ikaw, hindi ka naman pangit. Gwapo naman si Arjo. So,
salamat.
may mga tukso pa rin bang lumalaki? Despite the fact na alam ng lahat na may asawa ka.
Hindi siya tukso, Mama Odge. I'm very much exposed to work only. Kung meron man, it's not my priority. It's not the things I'm thinking of. I really want to grow into a man, to be able to be a good example to my kids. Hindi ako pumasok ng politiko sa pag-aartista para one day mapag-usapan ako ng masama ng mga anak ko. You know, these things. I wanna not leave a legacy. I just wanna leave kindness to people. And this is the best